Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google Chrome's tracking protection, Intel Technologies, Wobble Beans E27 TWS earbuds, Inna IT Password Manager by Precision Group, Pokemon Go Community Days overview, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google plans to introduce a new feature in Chrome called Tracking Protection to eliminate third-party cookies used for consumer tracking. The feature will roll out globally on 4th January, limiting cross-site tracking by default to 1% of Chrome users. The goal is to fully eliminate third-party cookies for all users by the second half of 2024, pending resolution of antitrust issues raised by the UK's Competition and Markets Authority. Google aims to address online privacy concerns and enhance user control over their data. The Online Safety Act, effective since October, requires platforms like Instagram and YouTube to strengthen controls around illegal content and age-checking measures. Google's move aligns with global efforts to enhance user privacy and curb intrusive tracking practices by advertisers. The company is also working on an anti-phishing feature for Android users to bolster online safety. Next we have Intel Technologies has launched the Wobble Beans series of true wireless earbuds in India. The TWS earbuds feature 12mm drivers providing up to 35 hours of playback on a single charge. Touch controls allow users to manage music playback and calls conveniently. The earbuds support fast charging, offering up to 100 minutes of playback with a 15-minute charge. Additional features include ultra-low latency mode, Bluetooth 5.3 fast pair, active noise cancellation, and environmental noise cancellation. The Wobble Beans E27 TWS earbuds are priced at Rs 1,199 and available for purchase on Amazon India. The earbuds aim to offer a secure and user-friendly audio experience with advanced features. Chennai-based Precision Group has launched the Inna IT Password Manager featuring a hard token-based approach. The password manager stores credentials securely in a companion device, enhancing protection against password theft. It incorporates both biometrics and public key infrastructure for secure authentication. An integrated fingerprint sensor provides an additional layer of biometric identity verification. The device encrypts stored credentials, preventing unauthorized access even if the device is lost. Precision Group aims to provide a simple yet robust solution for individuals concerned about password security. The Inna IT Password Manager utilizes advanced biometric technology to safeguard user credentials. Noise has launched its first eSIM-enabled smartwatch in India, named the Noise Voyage. The circular smartwatch features a 1.4-inch Retina AMOLED display with a resolution of 454x454 pixels. Fitness features include a heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, sleep and stress tracker, and supports for over 100 sports modes. The smartwatch supports Airtel and Jio eSIMs, offering 3 months of free 4G calling. Connectivity with compatible TWS earphones like Noise Air and Aura Buds is supported. The Noise Voyage offers up to 7 days of battery life under typical usage and 30 days with power saving mode. Pre-booking is available, offering benefits like Rs 1,500 off and priority shipping. Pokemon Go Community Days has been a popular feature since January 2018, introducing special Pokemon and exclusive moves. December Community Days typically feature all Pokemon from the current and prior year with exclusive moves. The standard model is one move for final evolution, but trends include featuring starter Pokemon and introducing new Pokemon. Featured Pokemon receive both fast and charged exclusive moves upon evolution. Tier 4 raids are introduced to continue catching featured forms after defeating the raid boss. Community Day moves often impact the meta in trainer battles, influencing Pokemon choices for competitive play. Pokemon Go continues to engage players with regular events and updates, enhancing the gaming experience. Next we have Apple has agreed to pay $25 million to settle a class action lawsuit related to its family sharing feature. Family sharing allows users and family members to share access to purchased apps, music, movies, TV shows and books. The lawsuit alleged that Apple misrepresented the ability to use family sharing to share subscriptions to apps. Apple denies any misleading misrepresentations and wrongdoing, but opts for settlement to avoid further legal expenses. Eligible class members will receive $30 not exceeding $50 as part of the settlement. The settlement resolves issues related to the advertising of family sharing features and subscription sharing. Apple continues to enhance and expand its ecosystem features for user convenience. At last, Zoho, a SaaS company, is developing smaller AI models with up to 20 billion parameters. CEO Sridhar Vembu emphasizes the effectiveness of smaller models for specific domain problems. Zoho plans to have its own GPUs infrastructure as it believes it is a cost-effective long-term solution. The company recently unveiled 13 generative AI extensions powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT. Zoho aims to blend third-party intelligence into Zia, its AI-powered assistant, to enhance AI capabilities. Zoho previously announced its own large language model LLM designed for natural language understanding. The company is actively advancing its AI capabilities, contributing to the growing landscape of AI-powered solutions. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Words for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।